Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing this lesson order of square roots. The meaning of this word order is we will compare square roots. Okay, let's start with inequalities involving square roots. This is represented when A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. Okay, if square root of x is greater than a but less than b, then x is greater than a squared but less than b squared. Okay, example. We have here square root of x is greater than 3 but less than 5. Okay, first that we need to do is we have to make these three numbers into the same kind of number. Because look at this one. This is an integer. We actually don't know what's this number. This is also an integer. So make these three numbers same kind of number. So in our previous episode, we already learned that the meaning of this square root sign or of this radical sign, if there's a number inside, is square this one. So this exponent and this radical sign will be removed and we will just copy this x. Okay, since we square this number, then we have to square this 3 and this 5 also. Because remember, property of inequality is whatever you do in this number, you have to do in the other numbers also. So 3 squared is 9. 5 squared is 25. So it means x must be greater than 9 but less than 25. So what are the numbers greater than 9 but less than 25? So we have here 10, 11, 12, until 24. So this is the meaning of this statement. Okay, now let's compare square roots. Okay, if A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, okay, the first statement here says that A is less than B, then square root of A is less than square root of B. Okay, example, A is 3 and B is 6. So 3 is less than 6. Then square root of 3 is less than square root of 6. Okay, what about number 2? Square root of A is less than square root of B, then A is less than B. So this is like the opposite or the reverse of number 1. So if A is 3 and B is 6, so we have your square root of 3 is less than square root of 6. Then A is less than B, or 3 is less than 6. Okay, what about for number 3? Square root of A is less than square root of B. Then, negative square root of A is greater than negative square root of B. Okay, A is 3. So this is square root of 3. B is 6. Less than square root of 6. Then, negative square root of 3 is greater than negative square root of 6. So why is our symbol here greater than? Okay, square root of 3 means square this one and bring out number or bring out this 3. Take note, we have here a negative sign outside the radical sign. So that means this is negative 3. Okay, what about this one? So square this one. So cancel this exponent and radical sign, bring out 6. And since there is a negative sign outside the radical sign, so that means this is negative 6. And negative 3 is greater than negative 6. Okay, let's give more examples by answering this concept check question. First is square root of 11 is blank square root of 12. So we are going to fill in the box with the correct inequality sign, greater than or less than. Okay, square root of 11, this means square this one, cancel this and radical sign, so this is 11. Same square, cancel this radical sign and exponent, bring out 12. So 11 is less than 12. So square root of 11 is less than square root of 12. Okay, what about for number 2? Square root of 0.2 is blank, square root of 1 over 4. Okay, this is a decimal number, 0.2. This is a fraction. We can turn first this fraction into a decimal number so they are in the same kind of number. And 1 over 4 is 0.25. So this is square root of 0.25. Okay, if we're going to square this one, cancel radical sign and exponent. So this is now 0.2. Okay, same thing here, square, cancel this one. So we have here 0.25. So it means 0.2 is less than 0.25. So the symbol here is less than. What about for number 3? Negative square root of 5 is blank, negative square root of 6. Okay, square this one, cancel, bring out 5, but there is a negative side outside the radical sign, so this is negative 5. Negative square root of 6, okay, square this one, cancel this, bring out 6. There's a negative side outside the radical sign, so this is negative 6. Negative 5 is greater than negative 6. Okay, for number 4, we have here 4 is blank, square root of 15. Okay, for square root of 15, square this one, so cancel, bring out 15. Since we square this number, we need to square 4 also. 4 squared is 16. So it means 16 is greater than 15. So the correct symbol here is greater than. Okay, now let's answer these simple questions. And the first one is, which of the following shows an incorrect order between the two numbers? Okay, the first one here is square root of 6 is greater than square root of 5. Okay, square this one, cancel, so this is 6. Square this one, cancel, so this is 5. So 6 is greater than 5. This is correct. Okay, what about for number 2? Negative square root of 1/2 is less than negative square root of 1/3. Okay, square this one, cancel, bring out 1/2, but there's a negative sign outside this radical side, so this is negative 1/2. What about here? Square, cancel square root and exponent. So we have here 1/3, but there is a negative sign outside the radical sign, so this is negative 1 over 3. And negative 1/2 is less than negative 1 over 3. So this statement is also correct. Okay, for number 3, 4 is less than square root of 18. Okay, square root of 18 means square this one, cancel, so we have here 18. We square this number, so we need to square 4 also. So this is 16. And 16 is less than 18. So statement number 3 or option number 3 is also correct. Okay, what about for number 4? 0.2 is greater than square root of 0.2. Okay, square root of 0.2 means square this one, cancel, so we have 0.2. Bring out 0.2. We square this number, then we need to square 0.2 also. And 0.2 squared is 0.04. According to this one, the symbol is greater than, but this is not correct, or this is incorrect, because 0.04 is less than 0.2. So this statement or this option is incorrect. For number 5, negative 3 is less than negative square root of 8. Let's find out. Okay, so square this one, cancel. So we have here 8. But we have a negative sign outside, so it means this is negative 8. What about negative 3? So if we're going to square this one, then 3 squared is 9. And then attach the negative sign, so this is negative 9. And negative 9 is less than negative 8. So this statement is correct. So which of the following shows an incorrect order? That is option number 4. Okay, and for our last question or problem, how many natural numbers n satisfy this inequality? Okay, we have here square root of n. This is greater than 2 but less than 3. Okay, again, the first thing that we need to do is we have to make these 3 numbers same kind of number. Okay, we already know the square root of n, or if we have here a radical sign, means this is, we're going to square this one. So exponent and then radical sign cancel, bring out n. Since we square this one, then we have to square 2, and we need to square 3 also. And 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. It means the values of n must be greater than 4, but less than 9. And what are the numbers greater than 4 but less than 9? We have here 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 numbers. So how many natural numbers n that will satisfy this inequality? Okay, we have here 4 natural numbers.